You can make your own icing sugar in only 3 minutes. All you need are 2 ingredients. The first ingredient is white sugar. Measure it 1 cup. Add to a blender. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch prevents the sugar from clumping. You can make as much as you want, but always use the ratio of 1 cup of white sugar to 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix on medium speed. After 30 seconds, stir a little and remove any sugar stuck to the sides. Repeat the process 3 more times. You should have a fine powder now. When you open the lid, you'll see a little cloud of sugar. Now it's time to sift the sugar. Use the finest strainer you have. Sift out any remaining grains of sugar. If you're finding this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support. If you have a tea strainer, use it. Now you have icing sugar for your baking, and you didn't even need to go to the shop.